what we have done so far? If not, then go back and watch all.
All, welcome to the IGBC AP exam preparation guidelines. Hope you have seen the previous videos thoroughly and understood the pattern of exam. Today we will understand the exam pattern with some sample questions, so let's begin.
So all of you are ready now. Let's start with a recap and then we'll take some questions. I hope you all have gone through the videos very thoroughly and now you are able to give a couple of answers. So I'm starting with the overview. What was the pattern, though it was already given in my previous video. So there'll be total 110 MCQ questions. The total duration will be 90 minutes and you have to score minimum of 85 out of 110. And interestingly, there's no negative marking in that. And the mode will be online. Remotely, you can appear into that exam. And the total question paper is spread around 4 major sections. First one is green building design and the construction practices, where you need to focus on the AC industry construction practices. The second one is from the building standards and the codes, like we have ECBC, NBCs and all that. So there'll be 15 questions around that. The third one is IGBC resources and the processes to get any project certification and what are the documentation required and all that, right? So there'll be 14 questions on that. The fourth section is on the green design strategies and the impacts. And there'll be 30 questions on that. So let's begin. I will be, in this video, I'll be asking you a couple of questions. You have to pick up one paper and pen. I'm waiting for you for a minute. And when I will be putting the question, you have to write the answers, whatever you have understood till now. And in last, we will see what are the answers. And then you have to rate yourself how much you have scored. And that will help you to understand where do you stand today and what is the gap, what else you have to do more. Though there'll be more videos after this, which will help you to achieve 100% marks. Okay. So I'm waiting for 1 minute. Please bring your pen, paper. Okay, so hope you all have brought your question paper. Paper and pen, sorry. So section 1. So these are couple of example questions. How the question paper will be. This will help you to understand the pattern and how you have to answer them. My question number 1 is, all grid separators are installed to. Option number A, filter oil in stormwater runoff, capture stormwater runoff from surface parking area. Option C, recover oil spilling at site. Or option D, to mix oil with stormwater. Please write down your answer. Basically, in this question, he is asking where to fix this grid separator. Okay, let's move to the question number 2. The primary function of a roof garden is, option A, to reduce stormwater runoff, B, to minimize the heat island effect, C, to promote habitat, or the D, for energy efficiency. Please note down your answer. Question number 3. new construction rating applies to? Option A, existing buildings. Option B, interiors only. Option C, new projects, or which is less than 50% of owner occupied. And option D is schools only. Okay, please note down your answers for all these three questions. Moving to section 2. This is from building standards and the codes. So here the first question is ECBC applies to buildings with connected load. Option A, 100 kilowatt or greater than that. Option B, less than 500 kilowatt. Option C, 800 kilowatt or greater than that. Option D, less than 800 kilowatt. Next question. Standard for erosion and sedimentation control. So this means from which standard it is coming from. Option A, ASHRAE. Option B, ECBC. Option C, IS. Or the option D, NBC Part 10. Okay, next question. Baseline standard for fresh air ventilation. So in which standard it is mentioned? Whether it's option A, ASHRAE 90.1, ASHRAE section 62.1, option C, ASHRAE 52.1, or option D, ASHRAE 189.1. Hope you all have noted down your answers. Let's move to section 3, which is ICBC resources and processes. So the first question in this section is if a credit is denied and team feels that there is a compliance. So what should they do? Write to IGBC staff, option A. Option B, cannot do anything. Option C, appeal for review. Or option D, declare themselves achieved. Okay, next question A. Best time to register of a project. When should we register a project? Option A says after the construction is over. Option B, tender phase. Option C, the initial stage of the project, which is design stage. Or the option D, after the occupancy in the project. Next question. Who can become an IGBC member? Option A, only architects. Option B, only builders. Option C, any organization. Or option D, only government bodies. Okay. Next, last section is section 4, which is around the green design strategies and their impacts. So here the first question is soil and climate analysis results in what? What are these analyses meant for? Option A, it improves the erosion control. Option B, enhanced aesthetics. Option C, reduced water for landscaping. Option D, reduced water in fixtures. ISRI group helps in option A, increased heat island effects. Option B, reduced heat transfer, HIR. Option C, increased stormwater runoff. Option D, improve IAQ. Okay. Next question is light pollution reduction intent, which means what does this intent means, what we have to achieve in a project. So option A says increased night sky access. Option B, reduce power consumption. Option C, improve visibility. Or option D, minimize light trespass. Okay, so hope you all have done your questions. If you want, I can run it again, going backward. Please have a look on section 1. Not complete, please write down your answers for all the 3 questions. Section 2. Section 3. And last, section 4. If you could not bring your pen and paper, you pause it here itself, go back, bring your pen and paper, and run this video again. Don't go further. First, run it again, see where do you stand. This is really going to help you to understand where do you stand today, what you have done or read so far, and how these videos could help till now. However, I'm planning to add a couple of more things which will help you to understand why we have to choose this answer. In my next video, you will get all those answers. And after that, the plan is that I will be sharing the detailed version of the material which I have told you in my initial videos. Okay, let's go to the answer sheet now. So question 1. The answer is A. This is from Green Building Design and Construction section. Question 2, answer is B. Question 3, answer is C. Question 4, answer is A. Question 5, answer is D. Question 6, answer is B. Question 7, answer is C. Question 8, answer is C again. And for question 9 also answer is C. Question 10, again answer is C. Question 11, answer is B. And the last question, number 12, his answer is D. So now wherever you have done correctly, give yourself 1 mark. And wherever you have not done, put it 0. There's no negative marking. And now look at the percentage of your marks, how much you have scored. Okay, so please wait for my next video, which will be coming hopefully tomorrow. And I will give you why we have chosen these answers that will help you to understand the concepts and idea behind that. And thereafter, we'll go in the detailed versions of the chapters. So thank you very much. Wish you all the best. And before we come tomorrow, please go through the abridged version, which I mentioned in my previous video, so that tomorrow when you will be going through that concepts, it will be very easy for you to understand and the grabbing power will be more. So thank you very much. Good night.
Thank you for watching this video and wish you all the best for exam. I advise and request to follow me, put a notification so you get information for our next video. Till then, bye.